Hello everyone! Have you ever connected to a Wi-Fi network on your PC but can't recall the password? I've got a neat trick that I'm sure you haven't come across yet. Let's get right into it. Step 1. Accessing the Run dialog. First, simultaneously press the Windows key and R on your keyboard. This brings up the Run dialog box. Then, in this text box, type ncpa.cpl. Now, hit Enter. Step 2. Accessing Wi-Fi properties. You'll see a list of your network connections. Double-click on your active Wi-Fi connection. Then, click on Wireless Properties. Step 3. Retrieving the password. Now, move on to the Security tab. And here's the magic step. Just tick the Show Character box. And voila, your Wi-Fi password will be revealed right there. And that's it. A simple trick to view your Wi-Fi password. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more updates. Until next time, bye-bye.